For many families, spring break is less than 2 months away, and right now you may be thinking about prepping your body for that bikini or swim trousers.
Okay, a lot of people are self-conscious when it comes to unwanted fat. The great part about it is you can do something about it.
Today we are telling you about a cutting-edge technology called Vaser Liposuction. We're here in one of the operating rooms at Plastic Surgery Associates, and we're talking about a really popular procedure, liposuction, and some of the latest technology to enhance results and actually speed up the recovery process. We're here with Dr. David Alfonso. Dr. Alfonso, tell us about Vaser Liposuction.
Vaser Liposuction is a new technique. Liposuction with Vaser utilizes ultrasound energy, and ultrasound's been around for about 20 years in plastic surgery.
Okay.
And the benefits of the Vaser system are that it differs from traditional liposuction, that it makes the fat easier to remove, and so that there's less damage to blood vessels and nerves, so the recovery is quicker, and the overall results are seen quicker than traditional liposuction.
Yeah, and that's always a great thing. What about the areas of the body in which it can be used?
That's one of the other benefits of the Vaser now. As I've said, ultrasound's been around for a long time, and we've worked on the technology for years to really get it to the point where we can use the ultrasound technology to help fat removal in areas previously we couldn't, such as in the arms, under the neck, small areas, in addition to other areas that are pretty popular with both men and women, the hip rolls, or sometimes called the love handles, and in the tummy area, above and below the belly button, and again, of course, thighs, inner and outer thighs.
So we touched upon a little bit about the differences of traditional liposuction and Vaser liposuction. You actually have some equipment here that really demonstrates why this can often be a better choice.
I do. I've got some visual aids for us here. So these are some of the cannulas that we use, and these are specific and unique to the Vaser system. So unlike traditional liposuction, where we put in some fluid and that allows for the blood vessels to shrink and then simply remove the fat, this is the middle step. So we put in the fluid like we do with traditional liposuction, and then we use these cannulas, and these cannulas rotate thousands of times a second, and that allows the fat cells that are around the blood vessels and nerves to be loosened up. So when we go and remove them with the cannula, and this is an example of a cannula that actually removes the fat, and this is done varying sizes depending on what areas of the body we're using. When we go in and use that cannula to remove the fat, it's much less traumatic to the tissues. So when you recover, you have less bruising, less swelling, and the skin, because of the ultrasound, produces better skin tightening, so that you see improved skin tightening quicker than you would see with traditional liposuction.
So you're actually up and at them a lot quicker than you would with traditional liposuction.
Exactly, yeah. Most of our patients are done with either general anesthesia, if it's a bigger area and it's multiple areas. If it's a small area, such as underneath your neck or in the arms, they can be done with just some light sedation. And patients typically are back to work within the next day or so. We do limit some very strenuous physical activities, such as weightlifting, things like that. But really, you return to normal activities within 24 hours. And we do have you wear some garments, which are undergarments that help with the swelling and the edema, but they're very easily hidden in clothes, and so nobody would really know that you had had the procedure done literally within a couple days.
Wow, that's incredible. Well, I know PSA is the only practice in West Michigan with this Vaser technology, and already you've done hundreds of procedures.
Yeah, we have. We've been very excited, and our patients have been incredible, especially those patients who've had previous liposuction done with traditional liposuction or even other techniques, and then experienced the Vaser. They're amazed at how fast they recover compared to some of the older techniques. And they also notice and tell us about the lack of bruising that they had compared to when they had it done years ago, and the fact that they take maybe 1 or 2 pain pills. And so it's a very quick recovery. And again, with the Vaser, because the fat cells are viable and healthy that they're removed, we can actually re-inject those fat cells into other areas. So patients oftentimes would like to have some fat injections to their face to plump up some of the lines and look a little more youthful. In addition to the hands, you can re-inject the fat with the Vaser, because the ultrasound allows those fat cells to be viable and easily removed. So that's one of the very unique advantages of the Vaser compared to some of the other techniques and machines that are out on the market now.
Great information about Vaser liposuction. We're here at Plastic Surgery Associates, making you look and feel your very best. Check it out. Wow. Oh, yeah. So So now really is a popular time to get those procedures done. We're thinking ahead to bikinis. We're thinking ahead to spring break. And, of course, summer.
Oh, yeah.
We want to look and feel our very best.
We know the interesting thing is, Rachel, we all maybe have those problem areas where we've exercised, we've watched our diets, but we still have those areas that we just can't spot reduce. And this seems like it would be a logical option for people who have that certain issue.
Yeah, from large to small. And here's a great thing. We've got a special for all of our 8 West viewers. Plastic Surgery Associates is offering a free cosmetic consultation for Vaser Liposuction if you call to schedule your appointment today.
There's usually a fee for that, but again, if you call today, you'll receive your cosmetic consultation free of charge. The number, 616-451-4500. PSA is located inside the Amway Grand Plaza Hotel. We've got their number and website on your screen, and of course, always we'll have that information available on our website as well.
We did a fabulous introduction when we partnership with PSA, and they have valet there. It's very private. They make it very easy for people who come in who want to consult or perhaps to invest in a procedure or a skin treatment. And so it's pretty exciting stuff.
And they protect your privacy too, because a lot of people may be a little concerned about stepping forward in that way. Very confidential on all levels.
Absolutely.